Welcome back, guys. I'm here with His Love Hair once more. It's the same packaging as always. First thing I pulled out is the wig, of course, which we're gonna get into. I also got a robe, which I know is branded. Have a couple of these well already. I also got a branded headband, elastic headband. I got a pair of HD wig caps, bonnet, which is also branded. I got a pair of lashes. There are these lace tapes. Ooh, some really cute temporary tattoos for Halloween. Isn't that cute? Haven't seen these in ages, but yeah, that's cute. And I got edge brush and comb. Also got a extra invisible strap because today we're working with a 360 wig, which we're, as I said, gonna get into in a few. Got this little razor you can use to cut your lace. Got some cute bow clips. They're literally like, you know, snap clips. Oh, this is nice. So cute. They're definitely in the season spirit. So yeah, this is a clip. And that's everything. It's a lot of goodies. I love that. So this is today's wig. Isn't that gorgeous? This is a body wave texture that I obviously got. It's 26 inches long. I love the color job. This is Kiss Love's pre-bleach snug fit 360 lace wig. All right, it's a glueless black mixed with brown highlights kind of vibe. 26 inches long. I'm gonna put the specific density down below, but this is really cute. So let's get into it. As I said, it's a 360 like INVISI strap wig, and INVISI straps are just it because they're way more discreet. When you go ahead to do like your ponytails, you don't have to see what's happening in the back. They sent an extra one in case you need one more. These combs on the inside are also removable, so that's nice. You could take those out if you want or leave them in. You have an adjustable strap on the inside. Everything adds greatly to the security of the cap on your head, and it's a medium cap as well. So a total of 3 combs. The ones on the side are also removable, and as I said, it's pre-bleached, so that's lovely. So that's how the construction looks, and it is also pre-plucked and pre-cut. So this is very much geared towards the beginners. It's very nice and soft, so I do love that. But yeah, this is what we're working with today, so let's go ahead and get into this easy installation. On the wig, once I go ahead and slip it on, as you can see, you could just pull the INVISI strap either side out, and you can just adjust them however you like, how tight you like. So there are 2 of the like knobs or the adjusters, and you can literally just, you know, push it to how tight you want your strap to be, how secure you want, depending on how secure you want it to be, or tight, or how snug you want it to be on your head. So I do both sides, right? You just want to pull out both sides, and you can just tuck away the end of the string beneath your cap, and you're good to go. Decided that I'm gonna go in with some of the lace tapes for today's installation. So you want to put it right along the perimeter of the wig hairline, and then you just paste it down. So we're looking pretty good. All right, it's looking nice and melted, and that's, you know, it's super convenient when you go ahead and use the lace tapes as well. Like, it can turn out really convenient, so I love that. If you're a beginner, it's quite easy to work with. You just have to take your time to, you know, apply the lace tape. So you know, it's a 360 wig, so you know we're gonna definitely be doing some like a updo vibe. Before I jump straight into the updo, I'm gonna do another style, so you can go ahead and do, you know, different updos and stuff as you like. I'm gonna go ahead and do like a nice like half up half down kind of vibe before I jump into doing like a full-blown like ponytail or so. This is so cute. The color job is so nice. I think it's perfect for fall. I'm gonna get my hot comb and kind of just, you know, get the hair flatter. I'm gonna take a scrunchie, you know, just, I love this slick back kind of vibe, like half up half down kind of vibe. Sometimes it's just super clean and just cute, effortless, you know. I love that kind of vibe sometimes. So you could do that pull back look, and that's how we're looking. Okay, very minimalistic, no baby hairs, no swoops, just pull back, clean and timeless. Isn't it cute? Super cute. And these are the waves that came in it. Yeah, that's nice. That is nice. That is real nice. Oh my gosh, the waves in this are just so, they're not frizzy, they're not dry, it's soft, it's silky, smooth. Love that. And I just love how the lace looks. Like, it looks really good. It looks really melted, you know, no glue whatsoever. Okay, but yeah, so I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do an updo now, but we're gonna make it cute. So I gave you guys a half down style, so now let's do another style. I want to give you, like, you know, I've been liking the whole vibe with two pieces of like bangs in the front, so that's what I'm gonna do. And I don't know if you guys can see, like, as I tug on it, you can see that it is definitely glueless, okay? But the tapes are holding it together so nicely. Isn't that cute? Oh, that is so nice. That is so nice. Like, it's the perfect updo. How cute is that? So I'm just gonna go ahead and get my curling iron, and we're gonna fix the pieces in the front. Okay, so let me say, all right, you notice how the bun can be so messy and effortless and like whatever, but still cute. You see, these two pieces in the front just add more of a, it elevates the whole look. It gives it more of like, okay, you're going out, you know, more of this. It gives it this elegance, you know. Yeah, that's what we, look at that mouse. Nah, that's what we needed. Oh, by the way, I didn't turn it back to let you guys see, but oh, I wasn't finished with the style, duh. But yeah, yeah, so this is how this is looking. Oh my gosh, I'm just kind of like trying to spread that a little bit. I don't think I want to comb it all the way out because I don't want like it to fall, you know, but it's so cute. So cute. Let me know what you guys think so far. Kiss Love did their thing on this. So this is the finished look. Let me know if you guys like. I love it. I feel like this could be worn to like a really nice elegant event, you know, when you want that like updo but you want like the little drop curls and stuff. You could even add more curls to it, like in the back you could curl and you could beautiful. Let me know what you guys think. They did their big one. This is a glueless wig. INVISI strap, you guys see for yourself. It's very discreet, and that's what I love about the INVISI strap 360s, you know. It's the fact that they develop these wigs to be glueless, and then to make it very discreet they add bands like that in the cap, and it's very easy to just tuck away as I showed you guys. So yeah, that is it. Shout out to Kiss Love Hair, y'all did it. This is gorgeous. The perfect fall updo. Love it. I'm gonna be sure to put the direct link to this wig in my description box, so if you guys are interested in getting it for yourself, you can go ahead and do so. Any deals, any discounts, anything like that, you know, we're coming up to Black Friday and Christmas and all the festivities, you know. Yeah, the holidays are upon us and it's time for gift giving and all of that. So yeah, go ahead, check out my description box to see if there are any deals. But yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.